Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to cook fried rice, Suka Hati Pelanggan. Okay, so whatever you can find in your kitchen, like food that it was from last night, like rice, and then fried chicken. So just add on of the secukup rasa, kacang buncis, and also what is bawang in English? Bawang lah. Alright, usual. And followed by chicken. Next is rice, and finally we'll put the veggie. Secukup rasa. And finally the vegetables. And it's done. Nasi lemak, nasi lemak pula. Nasi goreng Suka Hati Pelanggan. Okay, suka hati you lah, whatever you want to campak inside, as long as it can be eaten. So thank you guys for watching and have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye.